In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through some essential features on HubSpot to reset your form styles efficiently. This guide will help you locate the necessary settings and guide you through the steps, ensuring a smooth experience. First, you'll want to access the user guide in HubSpot. To get started, open your web browser and visit the app na2.hubspot.com site, where you'll need to log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once logged in, head over to the user guide section. You can usually find this under the Help or Support menus, which provide comprehensive information and tools to navigate through all of HubSpot's features. Once you're in the user guide, focus your attention on the Settings area. The settings are your go-to area for making adjustments to your HubSpot environment. On the HubSpot dashboard, look for the Settings icon, which is typically located either on the left-hand side or at the top, depending on the interface version you are using. Click on this icon to open up the Settings menu. After opening the settings, the next step is to find the Marketing section. In the Settings menu, you might need to scroll a bit through various categories. The Marketing section is crucial because it contains all the tools and configurations related to promoting your content and managing customer engagement. Once you've located it, click on Marketing to access its options. Inside the Marketing settings, we'll focus on the Forms area. Forms are vital for gathering information from your contacts, whether they're potential leads, new customers, or longtime clients. Within the Marketing section, you should see an option labeled Forms. Click on it to view all the settings related to your forms. Now, while in the Forms section, we want to return all styles to their default settings. This reset can help resolve any inconsistencies or issues that might have arisen from custom styles applied to your forms. To do this, you need to find the appropriate control within the Forms settings. Look for the button or link that says Reset All Styles. It's usually conspicuous and located in a place where you can easily notice it. Once you've found Reset All Styles, go ahead and click on it. A prompt may appear to confirm your choice, as resetting styles will remove all custom settings you may have applied. Confirm your selection, and your forms will revert to their original styling. There you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly navigate HubSpot's interface and reset your form styles to their default state. This process is useful if you need a clean slate to work with, ensuring that your forms display consistently without any unintended customizations. Thank you for joining today's guide, and I hope this information empowers you to make the most of your HubSpot account.